To commemorate the 75th anniversary of India's independence, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is being celebrated across the length and the breadth of the country. The Mahotsav is being celebrated as a Jan Utsav in the spirit of Jan Bhagidari. Leading the spirit of mass participation, a series of events have been organized throughout the country. The events have been organized in 87 mobilization camps. These camps are conducted by rural self-employment training institutes. In the first place, let's understand about mobilization camps. Mobilization camps are an integral component of Rural Self-Employment Training Institute program, and they provide ample opportunities to reach out to probable candidates and inform them about the related schemes and the provisions. It is worth noting that a total of 87 mobilization camps have been organized across 87 districts in 19 states and 2 union territories. To enhance the awareness of participants, various activities including financial games, plantation drives, mask and ration distribution have been organized for the attendees. Moreover, the training institutes also offer a variety of courses for the participants involved in the mobilization camps. And one such important training program is Rural Self-Employment Training Institute program, which is a three-way partnership between the Ministry of Rural Development, state governments and the sponsor banks. The banks are mandated to open at least one rural self-employment training institute in their lead district to provide training to rural youth. This initiative is quite helpful for the rural youth in taking up self-employment and exploring new entrepreneurship ventures. Rural Self-Employment Training Institute programs also run with an approach of short-term training and long-term hand-holding of entrepreneurs. Rural youth between the age group of 18 to 45 years are eligible to join such kinds of training. These institutes have been established as pioneers in capturing the aspirations of the rural youth and turning them into profitable entrepreneurs by training them in the domain and entrepreneur skills. The program is currently being implemented in 28 states and 7 union territories with 585 functioning rural self-employment training institutes sponsored by 23 leading banks. These mobilization camps are channeling the energy of youth in the right direction, as a total of 37.81 lakh candidates have been trained under Rural Self-Employment Training Institutes in 64 courses. Out of them, 59 courses have been aligned with National Skill Qualification Framework and 5 have been approved by the Ministry of Rural Development. With the help of such a massive mobilization drive, 26.65 lakh candidates have been settled into self-employment. Observing 75 years of India's independence, the new framework of the country has been designed in such a manner that the arrow has been strung on the bow and is ready to be released to hit the bullseye. New India is India of the young, by the young, for the young. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.